What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here, and in today's video I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to use your planner daily. For the record. Alright, so a lot of us have started the beginning of the year with a new planner or new journaling system, and it's March and we have fallen off the wagon, to say the least. We are almost through the first quarter of the year and we have just dropped the ball fully. It happens to the best of us, and it has definitely happened to me in the past. So like I said, I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to use your journal every day. The first tip I have is to have your planner or your journal to suit your lifestyle. So a lot of planners, they come like a standard version. You know, how they look is basically how you can only use them to write down appointments, or maybe they come hourly so you can block off your time. So what I think you should do is just kind of really modify your planner so it fits your lifestyle. The things that you want to use your planner for daily, that's what you have to make sure is in there. With that example, I just want to share my line a day page in my bullet journal. The main purpose of this page is so every day I have to sit down and I have to reflect on my day. In my lifestyle, that's super important, just because I find when I am stressed and overwhelmed, my head just gets all jumbled and I really can't focus on what I need to focus on. So being able to open up my journal and take a moment to write down something every day helps me just really to hone my focus. And that, once again, allows me to open up my journal every day, so that means I'm using it every day. The second tip I have is make it look inspiring. Before my bullet journal, I actually had a happy planner, and I have a ton of happy planner stickers, even to this day, left over that I love using. So here is an example of a spread where I still use my happy planner stickers. I have like some summer stickers, vacation, like title stickers, and some cute little stickers on the side. So in this spread particularly, I'm planning out my summer vacation, what I'm gonna do with my family. So this really inspires me to continue to go back to my planner. Whatever planner that you have, make sure that it's something that invites you in, however you have it looking. And you know what you want it to be, so just do your best to make your journal or your planner that way. It's not going to be perfect, so don't hold yourself to too high of a standard, but you can still get it to the point where every time you open up your planner or your journal, it inspires you to write in it. It inspires you to come back to it every single day. The third tip I have for using your planner daily is to have a habit tracker to track things like using your planner daily. So my habit tracker is just a line tracker where I just put a little dot for every day that I may have used my planner, or every day that I may have prayed, or every day that I may have exercised. 2 great things can come from this habit. One, you can actually create a habit and actually create something so you know that every day you're going to work a little bit on your business, or every day you're going to pray. So then you can also go back to your journal and write that habit in there. It gets you to kind of remember, and it gives you a moment to kind of check yourself, like, okay, I am working toward being a better person, so am I doing the things that I need to do? Am I working on these habits every single day so that I can actually evolve to this, so I can evolve to a person who uses their planner daily and stays more organized? You don't have to have a bullet journal to have a habit tracker. You can also have a habit tracker in any planner, really. You just think about how you want it to look and what habits you want to track, and then find a way to track them however you want to do it. If you want to do it weekly or monthly, there's so many different things that you can do. And remember, just because you have a standard planner doesn't mean you can't modify it and change it up a little bit so it can suit you. The last tip I have for how to use your planner daily is to have multiple reasons to open your planner. Me personally, what I love about my bullet journal is the fact that it houses everything for me. It houses my YouTube plan, it houses my business plan, my regular home life, as well as my work life. I put everything in here. So because I do that, I know that I can always go to it when I need something and it's going to be there. So you have to give your journal or your planner a reason to be functional for you every single day. I may know my schedule for the week. I can't remember the next girls' night I have planned out. If I make sure I put it on my future log in my journal, I will know I can go to that. had a great idea last week, but this week I can't remember it. If I made sure to write it down in my brain dump in my journal, I'm gonna open my journal for the day. It's always little tips and things like that that kind of just get you going back to your journal, and it'll get you into a flow. So then when you have a day where you get to the end of the day and you're about to go to sleep, you're gonna remember, I didn't open my journal today. And it only takes a second to flip it open, mark what you did that day, or maybe just put a dot in your habit tracker that you completed these habits for the day. It just keeps you well-rounded and on track. I know if you're watching this video, you're definitely a person who likes to plan. You're definitely a person who wants to at least get to that point where you can plan daily. And these tips will definitely help you in achieving that goal and being able to use your planner daily, help you stay more organized and put together for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of some tips of how to use your planner daily. And I hope you hit that thumbs up button so I know you guys like these types of videos and I can come back and make more. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you're notified when to see more of me, and comment down below of anything else you want to see from me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.